The greatest gifts we can give our children are the roots of responsibility and the wings of independence. Our motherland is the cradle of civilization and is known for its bravery for ages. Thousands of people sacrifice their lives for this day when the liberty bells ring aloud. Freedom must be fought for, protected, and handed over to our children for them to do the same. We welcome you all to the virtual Saga of Independence. To teach a child is to turn walls into doors. Our Director Principal, Ms. Aditi Misra, firmly believes in this statement. Her knowledge and experience is our treasure chest. In these unprecedented times, her innovative methods of education focus on building life skill, thus empowering our young children to keep striving ahead, equipped with skills and knowledge to face the 21st century. With these thoughts, we request you, ma'am, to address the gathering.
Namaskar and a very happy Independence Day to all of us. It's an unusual time, it's an unusual year, and it's an unusual celebration of Independence Day. But as I had promised you all, we will stick to the calendar as much as possible, although it would be online. So there is no reason for us to not celebrate. Yes, we can't have the Saga of Independence by my class 4 babies in the auditorium, but we will celebrate in some way. So the first thing, I hope all of you are wearing the tricolor. I hope you have ensured that you're wearing all the 3 colors of the flag, because we all know we love our country. On this Independence Day, it's time to reflect. We reflect every year. We keep thinking about what else can we do, what do we need to do. This Independence Day, let us take a pledge of a different kind. We've lived a certain life in the past 3-4 months. Some of us were unhappy, some took to it very calmly, some, decided that they're going to be happy about it, whether it works or not, doesn't work. I was one of the last few. I decided that I'm going to be happy because I cannot do anything about the corona. I can do nothing about the lockdown, but I can do something about the way I'm going to react to it. I'm going to respond to it rather. So let us make a couple of promises to ourselves, to our children, to the community, and to our country. So promise number 1 is that we will be grateful. We have to have gratitude for what we have. Without that, we are lost. Without that, we are only seeking something which is elusive. So I'm not saying stop seeking. I'm not saying stop aspiring. I'm not telling the children don't have goals, just be happy doing nothing. No. I'm saying, but at this moment what you have, whether it's the lockdown, whether it's not being able to go out and meet friends, not being able to go out and meet family, just be grateful for other things, for whoever you have around you, for the internet. My parents stay in the NCR. I have not seen them in 4 months. Do you think I like it? I don't. I hate it. I used to go to them at least once a fortnight. My mother is a wonderful cook. She would make lovely food for me. I'm missing that, but I'm choosing to take it in my stride and not be unhappy about it. My second request is of acceptance. Accept what has been given to us. Along with being grateful, accept the situation and make the most of it. So if you have to not eat out, create those dishes at home. I've done that. I've made the most delicious food every day for myself because I also enjoy cooking. I have seen my little ones of class 3, 4 and 5 making the most amazing dishes without the use of fire. Encourage that. Let that be something which you all do together maybe. Get into art, get into music, get into dance. These are not just de-stressors, but they help you accept the present situation and deal with it in the nicest possible way. My third request is of sustainability and minimalism. In these 4 months, we've learned to do with less. Yes, we haven't gone out so often. We haven't bought so many things which we needed or didn't need. We have saved up, we've saved resources of our own. We have not done wasteful expenditure. Can we make that a way of life now? Not just because there's a pandemic and we have to be indoors. Can we choose to be more cautious? if we find that we have something which we need, can we first recycle what we already have? Or can we postpone something? And if you really like something and you really have to buy it but replace it. Give away something to the less fortunate. You have so many people in the neighborhood who may be very poor, who may be needy. Can we give away to them? Can we be more charitable? Can we help those who need the help? Can we recognize our privilege and see how, unless the privileged class gives back, how will the poor survive in this situation? My fourth and last request has nothing to do with the pandemic actually. Can we read more? I know people are reading more during the pandemic, but once this is over, can I request my children to please keep reading? There is nothing better than a good book. What you see here is just a fraction of my library. I have hordes of books and I love reading them. I love rereading them. Each time I pick up a book after a few years, I find it has a new meaning for me. Your vocabulary will increase. Your book is your best friend. It's not going to sulk, it's not going to run away, it's not going to do anything but give you knowledge. So my request to children, to parents, to anybody watching this, please read more. It is going to help you. And on this Independence Day, I wish all of you independence of mind, body and spirit. May our nation rise to greater heights, to greater aspirations and to greater dreams. Till we meet again, Jai Hind.
Thank you, ma'am, for inspiring and motivating us. Music brings joy to all our hearts. We now have the Junior School Choir presenting a medley of patriotic songs which beautifully portrays national integration in a country as culturally diverse as ours. Unity in diversity is our strength, now more than ever.
सुर की नदियाँ हर दिशा से बहेगी
The very thought of Independence Day fills us with a sense of nostalgia, pride, and achievement. Ladies and gentlemen, fasten your seatbelts as we go back in time and take you through the journey of our independence.
The past has been given to us. We have to build the future, just as those brave hearts who gave up their lives to build ours. 3 रंग से बना तिरंगा लहर लहर लहराता है, नई शक्ति भरता तन मन में, नई चेतना लाता है। आज मैं बहुत गर्व महसूस करती हूँ जब मैं स्वयं को भारतीय कहती हूँ। भारत का यशोगान इतना बड़ा है कि उसे शब्दों में बांधा नहीं जा सकता, लेकिन मैं आज आप सबको भारत के इतिहास की एक छोटी सी झलक से रूबरू करवाना चाहती हूँ। साथ ही मैं उन शूरवीरों को नमन करती हूँ जिन्होंने अपना बलिदान देकर 200 वर्षों तक गुलाम रहे भारत को दिलाई आजादी और उसकी पहचान। वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम।
सोने की चिड़िया को अंग्रेजों ने कुछ ऐसे रौंद दिया कि फूट डालो और राज करो की नीति में भारत ने अपने अस्तित्व को खो दिया। तभी आजादी की मशाल लिए मंगल पांडे आगे बढ़ा। चर्बी वाले कारतूस का प्रयोग नहीं करूंगा। मंगल पांडे द्वारा लगाई यह चिंगारी पूरे भारत में फैल गई। कानपुर में नाना साहेब, तात्या टोपे और झांसी की रानी ने बागडोर संभाली। मनु, हमें अंग्रेजों को सबक सिखाना ही होगा। हाँ मनु, हम अंग्रेजों की मनमानी नहीं चलने देंगे। मैं अपनी झांसी नहीं दूंगी। मैं अंग्रेजों को उनकी मनमानी नहीं करने दूंगी। मैं उन्हें मुंह तोड़ जवाब दूंगी।
अंग्रेजों को यह संदेश बखूबी मिल गया था कि भारत पर राज करना अब इतना आसान नहीं होगा।
मैं अपने अखबार केसरी द्वारा स्वतंत्रता के आग को पूरे भारत में फैला दूंगा। स्वराज हमारा जन्म सिद्ध अधिकार है और हम इसे लेकर रहेंगे। इस मिशन में हम भी तुम्हारे साथ हैं तिलक। हम स्वराज लेकर रहेंगे।
हाँ तिलक, हम स्वराज लेकर रहेंगे। अंग्रेजों को भारत छोड़कर जाना ही होगा।
जलियांवाले बाग में हुए हत्याकांड का बदला ऊधम सिंह ने जनरल डायर को मार कर लिया। बहुत ही जल्द टूटेंगी गुलामी की ये जंजीरें। किसी दिन देखना आजादी हिंदुस्तान होगा। सब पर अब वतन आजादी का जुनून सवार था। आजादी के दीवाने अपनी जान की परवाह किए बिना आगे बढ़ रहे थे। सरफरोशी की तमन्ना अब हमारे दिल में है।
देखना है जोर कितना बाजुए का दिल में है। वक्त आने पर बता देंगे तुझे ए आसमां। हम अभी से क्या बताएं क्या हमारे दिल में है। इनकलाब जिंदाबाद, इनकलाब जिंदाबाद,
इनकलाब जिंदाबाद, इनकलाब जिंदाबाद, इनकलाब जिंदाबाद, इनकलाब जिंदाबाद, इनकलाब जिंदाबाद, इनकलाब जिंदाबाद। तभी अहिंसा को हथियार बनाकर गांधी जी ने आजादी की मशाल को अपने हाथ में लिया। स्वदेशी आंदोलन की आग भारत के हर चौराहे पर दिखती थी। देशी जलाओ स्वदेशी अपना, देशी जलाओ स्वदेशी अपना, देशी जलाओ स्वदेशी अपना, विदेशी जलाओ स्वदेशी अपना, विदेशी जलाओ स्वदेशी अपना, विदेशी जलाओ स्वदेशी अपना।
1927 में साइमन कमीशन के विरोध में दिल्ली के असेंबली हॉल में बम फेंकने के आरोप में भगत सिंह, सुखदेव और राजगुरु को फांसी दी गई।
Simon, go back! 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 सत्याग्रह ने तो जैसे अंग्रेजी बुनियाद को हिला ही दिया था। अहिंसा के साथ शुरू हुआ यह मार्च ब्रिटिश राज्य के खिलाफ बगावत का बिगुल बनकर उभरा।
तुम भी मेरे साथ चलो, हम अपना नमक स्वयं बनाएंगे।
हाँ गांधी जी, चलिए, इस आंदोलन में हम आपके साथ हैं।
हाँ गांधी जी, चलिए, इस आंदोलन में हम आपके साथ हैं।
हाँ गांधी जी, चलिए, इस आंदोलन में हम भी आपके साथ हैं। अगस्त 1942 में गांधी जी ने अंग्रेजों भारत छोड़ो आंदोलन की शुरुआत की और साथ ही कहा, करो या मरो। कोई भी भारतवासी पीछे नहीं मुड़ना चाहता था।
अंग्रेजों भारत छोड़ो,
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 अंग्रेजों भारत छोड़ो।
सभी स्वतंत्रता सेनानी मौलाना आजाद, सरदार वल्लभ भाई पटेल, B.R. अम्बेडकर, बटुकेश्वर दत्त गांधी जी के साथ कदम से कदम मिलाकर आगे बढ़ रहे थे। स्वतंत्रता अब दूर नहीं थी।
गांधी जी, चलिए, देश से अंग्रेजों को खदेड़ने दो। आ गया। आप सही कह रहे हैं, अब हमारी आजादी कोई नहीं छीन सकता।
अब समय आ गया है कि हम सब भारतवासियों को एकजुट होकर आगे बढ़ना होगा।
आजादी कोई खिलाफ जिम्मेदारी वाली नहीं है। हमें सबको इस लड़ाई की आग में झोंकना होगा, फिर चाहे जो भी हो। नहीं रह सकते मत नहीं करने कैदी बनकर, चीर कर रख देंगे अंग्रेजों का सीना।
साथ ही सुभाष चंद्र बोस ने आजाद हिंद फौज की स्थापना की, जिसमें उन्होंने देश से कहा कि
तुम मुझे खून दो, मैं तुम्हें आजादी दूंगा।
चारों ओर हो रहे आंदोलन ने ब्रिटिश सरकार को हिला ही दिया था। भारत को छोड़कर जाने के सिवाय ब्रिटिश सरकार के पास और कोई दूसरा रास्ता ही नहीं था। और तब 15 अगस्त 1947 को नेहरू जी के नेतृत्व में भारत की जनता ने आजाद भारत पर कदम रखा।
Long years ago, we made a tryst with destiny, and now the time comes when we shall redeem our pledge, not wholly or in full measure, but very substantial. At the stroke of the midnight hour, when the world sleeps, India will awake to life and freedom. A moment comes, which comes very rarely in history, when we step out from the old to the new. When an age ends, and when the soul of a nation, long suppressed, finds utterance. Jai Hind.
In these testing and unprecedented times, India has risen to the challenge posed by a crisis that is threatening the very existence of the human race. In this fight of ours, restraint is our weapon, stillness our defense.
And ode to all our healthcare professionals for their selfless service to the nation. They are our real superheroes. It captured the world, every village, every city, invincible and dangerous than anybody has ever been. But little did they know of the secret army of our country, the army of heroes clad in white and green.
Our flag does not fly because the wind moves it. It flies with the last breath of each soldier who dies protecting it. Salute to the brave hearts, our soldiers, who give the supreme sacrifice to keep our borders safe. Freedom has not come easily to us, as you all know by now.
People who fought for freedom knew they would not survive, enjoy it.
They have the satisfaction that someone else will. We will.
We have understood the true meaning of freedom in its true context.
It is our promise that we will respect it to its very core. So friends, as long as we are walking together, hand in hand, and shoulder to shoulder. There is going to be no looking back. हम उस देश के वासी हैं, कर्तव्य जहाँ पहले आता और बाद में आते सपने हैं।
आओ चलो संकल्प नया एक करते हैं, चलो मिलकर देश में बनाते हैं, देश को बनाते हैं।
What a spellbinding performance by our young stars. That was indeed mesmerizing. We now take pride in rewarding the achievements of our meritorious students of Class 3 for the academic session 2019-20. Children, you have made your parents and your teachers proud. Dance is the rhythm of the body and melody of the mind, the harmony of the soul which creates a symphony of life. Ladies and gentlemen, our talented dancers will now beautifully depict the hopes and aspirations of the people of our country.
सुनो गौर से दुनिया वालों, बुरी नजर ना हम पे डालो। सुनो गौर से दुनिया वालों, बुरी नजर ना हम पे डालो। चाहे जितना जोर लगा लो, सबसे आगे होंगे हिंदुस्तानी। सुनो गौर से दुनिया वालों, बुरी नजर ना हम पे डालो। चाहे जितना जोर लगा लो, सबसे आगे होंगे हिंदुस्तानी। हमने कहा है, तुम भी कहो। हमने कहा है जो तुम भी कहो।
आओ हम मिलजुल के बोले अब तो यारा, अपना जहां है सबसे प्यारा। आओ हम मिलजुल के बोले अब तो यारा, अपना जहां है सबसे प्यारा।
हमने कहा है जो तुम भी कहो। चलते शरारे हैं, पानी के धारे हैं, हम पीछे हटते नहीं।
वक्त है, उम्र है, जोश है और जान है, ना झुके ना मिटे, देश तो अपनी शान है। वक्त है, उम्र है, जोश है और जान है, ना झुके ना मिटे, देश तो अपनी शान है।
हमने कहा है जो तुम भी कहो। सुनो गौर से दुनिया वालों, बुरी नजर ना हम पे डालो, चाहे जितना जोर लगा लो, सबसे आगे होंगे हिंदुस्तानी।
Every time we hear the reverberating sounds of these patriotic songs, they fill us with a sense of pride, devotion, and respect for our motherland. I now request our headmistress, Miss Lavina Hemrajani, to propose the vote of thanks.
As the famous proverb goes, a giant leap begins with a small step. I'm sure you would agree, such a resplendent event cannot happen overnight. The wheels start rolling weeks ago. Though we are restricted to the boundaries of our homes, but our determination has proven that creativity and talent cannot be restricted by any obstacle. We applaud each and every participant who has put their best foot forward and contributed to this event's success. A special thank you to you, dear parents, for your immense support that has helped us put this show together. Thank you to the parent reps, Ms. Akhileshwaran and Mr. Ghosh, for their continuous support always. Our team is guided by a mentor with foresight and vision. And as you all know, in the hands of a gifted mentor, the future is beautifully designed. A big thank you to our leader, our Director Principal, Ms. Aditi Misra, for guiding us, being our anchor, and being there for us always. A big thank you to our Vice Principal, Ms. Santna Thadani, for her constant support and guidance. Words cannot qualify or quantify her valuable inputs and guidance at every step, which made it possible for us to put this spectacular show together. Thank you to our Dean, Student Welfare, Ms. Sapna Dhawan. We are fortunate enough to be backed by a team of very motivated and dedicated teachers who have worked tirelessly and have done various roles to train these little ones to reach this milestone of their life. Thank you to the Senior Mistress, Ms. Purnima Raheja, Deputy Dean, Ms. Keetu Khanna, Academic Coordinators, Ms. Swati Chatterjee and Ms. Aarti Kapoor, Function Coordinators, Ms. Rajendrani Mukherjee and Ms. Dhara Bhatnagar, Reps of Class 4, Session 2020-21, Ms. Rajni Walia and Ms. Devyani Singh for coordinating the cultural show, and Reps of Class 3, Session 2019-20, Ms. Radhika Kanik and Ms. Sarita Rajmalani for coordinating the awards. A special mention of Ms. Dipti Tuli and Ms. Pooja Gupta, dance and the music teachers, for training the students who brought the saga of independence to life. Last but not the least, a special thanks to the HOD Dance Department, Mr. Devedua, for his creative inputs and excellent visual presentations of this momentous occasion. I cannot thank everyone enough for their contribution to make this a memorable event. Thank you so much.